Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, and awa po ng Diyos, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. But before I start guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button kung hindi pa po kayo subscriber. And please click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thanks in advance guys!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yan, awa po ng Diyos. Once again, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. And this vlog is about this product, which is the Powerhouse portable vacuum cleaner, pure copper motor. Okay, so ayan, kung meron kayong gustong tingnan guys na specs, ayan, low noise, LED, LED, long runtime for home and car, cordless design, so wireless to guys. Ayan yung accessories niya guys. Meron siyang brush, meron din siyang yung extender, no. Ayan, pasensya na sa dahil nag-refill ako ng ink kagabi. Anyway, ayan, so this is what you will be receiving, and of course your ayan, ito lang yan, ganyan lang siya guys, cable lang. Chine-charge ko siya guys, okay, no. Ito yung extension niya with brush, ayan guys, kita nyo ba? Okay, ayan, kino-connect lang yan dito, no. So doon sa mga unreached areas, doon nyo ilalagay yan. And then dito yung switch nya, meron ding ilaw yan dito guys, yan, no. So once na nag-on ako, may ilaw yan. Ayan ang on. Ito yung ano nya guys, yung ayan, dali malabo. Ayan, yan yung ano nya, yung power on and off button nya. Okay, so once I on that, ayan, may ilaw, no. So the light sumasabay yung ilaw sa andar. So yung ingay guys, medyo maingay, no, pero tolerable naman, tolerable, but it's good. So ito yung makukuha ninyo guys, it's basically naka-box lang siya. Then you have this extender, brush, and then yung manual niya, no. Hinahanap ko kung ilan ng hours of charging, pero hindi ko makita eh. So ayan, hanapin natin guys para makita ninyo. Okay, press, pull out the HEPA, out of the open, fix in the dust. Hanapin, tingnan natin. Ayan guys, ito yung ano niya, ito yung capacity ng battery. It's 2,500 milliampere. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit times 2. So parang dalawang battery yung gamit ng vacuum na ito. So ayan yung ano niya, power output is 85 watts, 88,000 PA plus yung suction, yung pagsipsip ng hangin. Okay, so usually 15 minutes daw to 20 minutes yung itinatagal ng battery life niya in full charge. Wala kasing nakalagay dito kung gaano katagal yung yung pag-charge sa kanya. Pero siguro by knowing na 2,500 milliampere yan times 2, that is somehow 5,000 milliampere. So parang ano siya guys, parang cellphone. So kung cellphone yan, ang charging time ng cellphone is 1.5 to 2 hours yung pag-charge usually, di ba, ng regular na 5,000 milliampere na cellphone. Depende na lang yan sa charger. However, ito naman, hindi naman sinusupport nito yung fast charger like 33 watts fast charging, kaya I guess 2.5 or 2 hours na charging is best for this product. But then ayan guys, so ito yung ano niya, ayan na. So quick ano lang to guys, quick vlog lang. So kung kung interested kayong kumuha nito guys, I think it's good, no. Wala akong masabi. I tried this many times na, and malakas naman yung suction niya. Pero tatry ko rin sa inyo mamaya para makita ninyo. Bigagawan ko siya ng pagsipsip guys, kung gaano kalakas ang pagsipsip niya. Okay? So sandali guys, isi-set up ko muna siya, i-connect ko itong extender natin. Okay? By the way guys, I forgot to tell you how to clean it, no. So ito guys, tinitwist nyo lang ito. Okay? And then aalisin nyo yung bilog na yun. So bali ganito yan guys. Dali guys ha, wala kasi tayong cameraman eh. Okay, so yan, pagka twist ninyo, meron pang lock lang naman yan dyan guys. Ayan, no? And then ayan lang yung ano nyo, ayan. Iti-twist nyo lang talaga. And then ito, aalisin nyo to kasi nandito yung mga dumi sa loob nito. So ganyan siya, yan. Okay, And then, yun na yung dumi guys, nandun sa loob. Then, just tap nyo lang. Tapan nyo lang siya. Then yun, okay na siya. Okay. Okay guys, napansin ko lang, ayan. So, upon charging the unit, ganyan yung lumilitaw, nag-green siya. Parang pag low bat yata is nagiging red ito. While it is connected to the this one. So, kung, syempre may karga yung battery niyan, no? And you can use it wireless. So, ito, dyan siya nagbibigay. While pagka naka-charge ito, nagkukulay red. I just don't know, I just can't figure out kung pag low bat siya is red yung makikita niya. But for right now, na medyo matagal ko na rin siyang na-charge, siguro almost 1 hour ko na rin na-charge, ganyan yung lumilitaw once it is connected to the vacuum cleaner. Okay? So, yan. Kalina na natin siya. Okay guys, so this is the trial, no? Ito yung, siyempre, itong brush na to guys is para maisis nyo yung dumi na yan. Ayan, guys, so. Kita nyo? Parang pangwalis na rin yan guys. And then syempre pag pinindot nyo na yung power, lalakas na yan, sisip-sipin na nyo yan. Let's see ha kung gaano siya kalakas ha. Okay, so kailangan inaano pa talaga, dinidikit pa talaga siya guys. So titingnan natin kung kailangan pa siyang idikit. Okay, kailangan pa talaga. Dinidikit pa talaga siya guys. So. Okay. So yun. So yun yung power niya, no. So for the price, magkano ba to? 500 pesos and you will get it for around 450 na ina-applyan niya ng voucher. Panalong-panalo na yan, guys. Kailangan nga lang talagang siyang dinidikit, no? Para mag-suction siya. Pero overall, guys, ganoon naman talaga ang vacuum cleaners. They usually do that. Wala namang vacuum cleaner na ganyang kalayo, like for example ganyan kalayo pero masisip-sip na, no, walang ganon. Pero yung power ability niya, panalo na yan guys. So yun, I think we're done. Yan na po ang ating vlog for today. So kung meron po kayong questions, wag po kayong mag-hesitate mag-comment. Try po natin itong sagutin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Thanks for watching. Thanks be to God. Bye for now. Bye.